World's first and most effective anti-diabetic herbal drug, BGR34, has convincingly proved its authenticity and reliability after filing its patent.
10 साल से मेरा शुगर है, तो एलोपैथी दवाएं लेता था मैं। 2 साल से मैं लगातार BGR ले रहा हूँ। खरीदा, एक बोतल हमने खरीदी, जब काम करना शुरू किया दूसरी ली।
The success story of BGR34 is so impressive that the sales have reached the 100 crore mark.
जब हमारी दवा BGR34 के नाम से एमिल ने लॉन्च की, तो इतनी ज़्यादा इसकी लोगों के अंदर अर्ज थी कि पहले ही साल में 100 करोड़ से ज़्यादा की सेल हुई उसकी।
It has already been 4 years since the launch of BGR34, and hundreds of Ayurvedic practitioners are recommending it to diabetic patients who are getting the benefits. Anti-diabetic herbal drug BGR34 is most effective in pre-diabetic condition when blood sugar level is inching towards the diabetic condition but not yet there.
अगर प्री डायबिटिक स्टेज में अगर आप अपना डायग्नोसिस कराते हैं, अगर ब्लड शुगर लेवल बॉर्डरलाइन डायबिटिक है, उसमें BGR34 के रिजल्ट्स एक्सीलेंट है। मतलब उसमें कोई एलोपैथी, कोई और पैथी में जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है।
Whether a diabetic patient is in the early stage or in the severe stage, doctors are prescribing BGR34 with confidence.
सिचुएशन तो सारी अच्छी हैं। अगर प्री डायबिटीज़ की बात करूं, न्यू डायबिटिक केसेस की बात करूं या क्रॉनिक केसेस की बात करूं, तीनों ही केसेस में BGR के रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं।
To understand the impacts and benefits of BGR34, one must understand diabetes properly. Diabetic condition is the situation when your glucose or blood sugar levels are higher than normal. That is, above 70 to 100 milligram per deciliter in fasting stage. There are various types of diabetes classified on the basis of blood sugar level and other symptoms. Type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, gestational diabetes, which is very common during pregnancy, and pre-diabetes, when blood sugar level is reaching the borderline. Upon the intake of food, carbohydrate decomposes into glucose and gets mixed into the blood, which energizes our body. Beta cells present in pancreas form an essential hormone called insulin, which ensures the entry of glucose available in our bloodstreams into the cells of our body. Insulin binds with cell receptors, which leads to the opening of passage in cells for the entry of glucose. In type 1 diabetes, these beta cells present in pancreas either stop producing insulin or secrete very little amounts. On the other hand, in most cases of type 2 diabetes, beta cells present in the pancreas produce insulin, but cell receptors are not able to properly open the passage in cells, which may lead to the entry of glucose. It results in a rise in the blood glucose level. This condition is known as diabetes mellitus in the medical science and popularly as diabetes among the masses. In the fact sheet of the World Health Organization, it is stated that 90% of the total diabetic patients are affected by type 2 diabetes.
डायबिटीज़ 2 तरह की होती हैं, टाइप 1 और टाइप 2। टाइप 1 को हम जुवेनाइल डायबिटीज़ भी कहते हैं, ये बढ़ती उम्र के बच्चों में ज़्यादातर होती है। लेकिन टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ मैच्योरिटी ऑनसेट होती है, जो 40-45 साल की एज में लगभग उसके सिम्टम्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं और ऑल थ्रू आउट द लाइफ वो इफेक्ट करती है।
As mentioned earlier, type 1 diabetes can only be controlled with insulin injections. But there are chances of revival of beta cells in type 2 diabetes. With the help of proper medication, allopathic or Ayurvedic, it is possible to control insulin production and blood sugar. Various formulations are available in the process of allopathic medication, But when it comes to Ayurveda, BGR34 is the most effective herbal drug to cure diabetes.
It really takes care of the diabetes type 2, and more specifically in the initial stage or up to the level of, you can say, 120 to 140 level, it really works well. And this I am not saying, but this is the, you can say, the experience of many doctors as well as many people who have taken it.
Elements of DPP-4 present in BGR34 act as inhibitors which boost glucose tolerance and oral glucose response in insulin secretion to control blood sugar. Blended with 6 herbs or Ayurvedic plants, BGR34 provides 34 essential phytoconstituents to the human body, which strengthen kidney, heart, retina, and those body organs that get severely affected in the case of diabetes.
Not only looking into the parameters of only on the diabetes, the ingredients protects as a antioxidant, and also it scavenges the free radicals.
For type 2 diabetes, BGR34 is as good as metformin used in the allopathic process.
Metformin is the allopathy medicine which is treated for the diabetic type 2. So our product was compared with metformin, and in BHU the doctors did it, and the conclusion is very encouraging that yes, either it is at par with metformin, or in certain properties and the markers it is higher than that also.
The rising demand of the medicine confirms that millions of diabetic patients have benefited from BGR34, formulated by the best scientific institutions like CSIR NBRI and CSIR CMAP.
जो हमारे देश में डायबिटीज़ तेज़ी से फैल रही है, इसमें लोगों को रिलीफ देने के उद्देश्य से ये दवा डेवलप की गई, और ये अपने एफिकेसी की वजह से पॉपुलर होती जा रही है। तो ये कितना बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ये आंकना दूसरों का काम है, लेकिन हमने एक जो प्रयास किया उसका हमें संतोष है कि काफ़ी सारे लोगों को इसका अच्छा फ़ायदा हुआ है।